I'm wasting a lot of money. Yo, what up guys, welcome back to Story of Sneakers. I'm your host Grady Anderson, back with another unboxing video. Today we're gonna have another unboxing video as I mentioned, but this is not gonna be a regular unboxing video because we're not only unboxing a single box of sneakers today, though we're gonna have a lot more, so you're gonna be stay tuned for the entire video. And don't forget to like this video. You gotta comment down below in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Without further ado, let's just jump right into the first pairs of sneakers we're going to be unboxing, shall we? For the starters over here, as you can see, this is not like a regular fans box, but let's just see what's inside. All right, you can see here plain white fans Japan era half moon, or you can call it by the name fans half moon. I got this over, they call themselves DWHC, or stands for DreamWorks High Concepts. It's just like a fan shop or shoe shop over Tokopedia, and I got this for 850,000 rupees. Actually cheap for a retail price of 1.2 million rupees. And I was gonna say that probably these pairs of sneakers right here is actually super rare. I don't know, they're actually different and they're hard to be found. What I love about these sneakers is actually the toe cap over here. As you can see, probably you can see the details over here. The toe cap is very interesting over here, and I really like it. So that's pretty much about this fans half moon. We're moving on to the next pairs of sneakers. I'm not gonna talk much about each of the videos. We're moving on to the next pairs of sneakers. You can tell through the box, Nike Air Force One, but what kind of Nike Air Force One, we're gonna be finding out. All right, red colorway, actually university red colorway, pretty amazing stuff over here. Let me get them out of the box over here. All right guys, I got this Nike Air Force One low university red colorway, pretty nice pairs of sneakers over here. I got this over Zalora Indonesia, and I got this for 1.3 million rupees. Pretty much expensive. Retail price of this, I bought this like last year 2016, but I never got changed to unbox these pairs of sneakers. Why not showing you this amazing cool stuff over here, super classic pairs of sneakers. So crazy, right? We're moving on to the next pairs of sneakers. Where should I put this? We're gonna have another Reebok over here. I say another Reebok, but in fact this is the first Reebok I just bought. So take a look at the size tag over here. I got a Reebok Furylite. It's actually like a Focus. I'm sorry. 1, 2. All right guys, you can see here, actually I have, it's actually like a Focus or what? Come on guys. As you can see here, Reebok Furylite in a camel colorway. I got this last year on a Christmas day, on a Christmas Eve. Actually, the retail price of this is 1.2 million rupees, but I got this for 650,000 rupees, and it's pretty much amazing and good deal. I really love it about this shoe. It's just like slip on with a lace. This is something like that. It's pretty much amazing. You can see both shoes over here. Crazy stuff. I'm not gonna talk about the details as I mentioned earlier in this video. So it's pretty much amazing. We're moving on. Can we moving on, shall we? All right, this is gonna be hard because we're gonna have another box over here, and I don't know what this is. I'm just kidding, I bought this. So let's just see what's inside the box. I got a cutter over here. You can call it cutter, you can call it knife, whatever you want it. So this is very amazing part of this unboxing video. I really like it because this is the moment that you have been waiting for. What kind of sneakers is this? I mean, through the picture online shop or something like that, this is different when you are having the sneakers in your hand. All right guys, it's already unboxed over here, and it's Nike boxed. You can see Nike box. It's actually Nike, super Nike classic box over here. So we're gonna see. It's actually just a plain paper over here, nothing special. But what is actually special? What is special is actually this. It's future from the past. The silhouette is actually classic Jordan 1, but the material over here is actually, I can say it's updated. It is not what it is. It's so different. I don't know whether this is fake or not. I don't fucking care because they are super nice over here, as you can see. I got this over Hoop Station Indonesia for 2.1 million rupiahs from the retail price of 2.3 million rupiahs. I think it's worth it to buy these pairs of sneakers over here because they're very amazing stuff over here. Crazy pairs of sneakers over here. We're moving on to the next pairs. This is the biggest box of them all. So we're gonna see what's inside the box. We're gonna have the same process over here. Oh shit. You have seen the Jumpman logo over the box. So that means that we're gonna have another Jordan. What kind of Jordan? Pairs of sneakers over here, as you can see, guys. Actually, Jordan 6 alternate 91 in a gym red colorway and a white colorway. Jordan 6 alternate 91. Pretty amazing stuff over here. Super nice. Classic silhouette with amazing colorway. I got this over Hoop Station Indonesia, pricing of 1.5 million rupiahs. Can you believe it? From the retail price of 2.7 million rupiahs. So Hoop Station got a a big discount up to 60-70%, and this is gonna be the last pairs of sneakers. And I'm gonna gather all of these pairs of sneakers that I just unboxed, like this one too, this one. So I'm just gonna, oh fuck, one down, man. Holy fuck, this is actually hard. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, dislike, and leave a comments down below in the comment section. And spread this video by clicking the share button up to your social media or something like that. Really appreciate that. Grady Anderson from Story of Sneakers. I'm out of here. I can do the peace, man. Out.